Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And this video is going to be off the beaten path of what I usually do. I'm going to gear this more to beginners. Try to help out the beginners every now and then, because sometimes beginners may not know how to do these steps or perform these steps, and they may be having issues of trying to figure out how to navigate around to what it is that they want to get to. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your cursor or your mouse bigger. I've seen instances where some of these cursors have been really small, and the person who the computer belongs to may not know how to make them bigger, or may not know that they can make them bigger. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make it bigger. You're going to go down to the search bar and you're going to type in Control Panel and press Enter. Control Panel will come up and you're going to click on the mouse icon. Click on that. Your mouse properties window will open, and I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to go to pointers, and in here is where you are able to select the size of your mouse. So just for example, so like you have this small of a mouse and you want to make it bigger, you're going to come up here to where it says Scheme. You're going to click on the little down arrow. You can make it a little larger, or you can make it extra large. In this case, when you have the size that you want, you click Apply, and immediately the cursor will become larger. Also, you may not know that you can actually change the color of the mouse. Usually if you have a white background and a mouse that also is white in color against that white background, it's kind of hard to see what a cursor is, but you can change the color of it. You're going to click on the mouse properties again, back in the control panel, go to pointers, bring this over, click on the down arrow, and now you can select Windows Black. Click Apply. Now you have a black mouse. Once again, if you want to change the size of it, you can go back up here to the down arrow, Windows Scheme, click on black, either large or extra large. In this case, I like my stuff big. Click Apply, and now you have a black mouse. Now it's not that hard to see in this example, in this video, as you can see, because it has a white outlining around the cursor. So it's not that bad. And then if you want to change it back to white, you can change it back to white. Now there are programs that you can buy or download that will give you different colors of the mouse, but that's a totally different subject and I don't want to get into that. But you can change your color, you can change your size of your mouse however you want to in this area. So I prefer to keep my mouse white, but I want it big, so I'm going to change that back. And that's it. That is how you would change the cursor size and color on the mouse. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.